So my full name in Welsh is Dylan Caredig Morgan, as you probably hear in the Welsh accent. I know I don't have a very Welsh accent, but I can speak Welsh. It's a fairly reasonable level, having lived here for so many years. Caredig is my middle name. Caredig means kindness in Welsh. I'm from a place called Tregaron, which is basically the starting point to the desert of Wales, which is the Cambrian Mountains, which is 30, maybe even 40 miles of just nothing but mountains. Not much grows there apart from grass. So I grew up in a very remote area, and so you have to make your own excitement in the hills and the forests and the streams and all of that. When I was growing up, when I was in my early teens, and my brother would go and watch soaps every single night, and I would, every time I heard the boom, 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 I would go and run to the piano and start playing, and then try and work out the boom, boom, boom and the melody. Da, 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 da. So I got into it like that, and then eventually I just got a chord book and I worked it out from there, but yeah, entirely self-taught. I've been writing music since the age of about 14, but of course doodling and writing a lot of lyrics and poetry when I was quite young in school. It's kind of in the curriculum, but the actual physical act of writing didn't really start till my mid-teens, and then I realised, I might be able to hack this. This is quite fun, you know, and took it from there. The biggest inspiration for me as a songwriter is Van Morrison. He's a genius, I think, in my humble opinion. And I think it's about his voice, and that's who I've kind of always thought, wow, if I could sound half as good as that guy, I'll be onto something. My goal would be just to have the listener moved by it, because at the end of the day, I think, you know, the strongest feeling, I guess, you can have for music is the feeling inside, and I think just so people can kind of resonate with where I'm coming from, that would be really cool. Yeah. Every single night, every single day, well, I roll away, never to be found. When you live in the back of a mining town, and I don't think that anything
you. Track's called Roll Away.
If you're a promoter out there and you like what you hear, yeah, I'm available for booking, and currently working with a band as well to make this a whole big live project. So yeah, it's all cool. It's all happening.